Opinion Best Message App for Android. Here's a list of some of the best messaging apps available for Android. 1. WhatsApp, one of the most popular messaging apps worldwide. WhatsApp offers text and voice messaging, voice and video calls, group chats, and multimedia sharing. It's known for its end-to-end encryption and user-friendly interface. 2. Telegram. Telegram is a feature-rich messaging app with support for text and media messages, voice and video calls, group chats, channels, bots, and more. It emphasizes security and privacy, with optional end-to-end encryption and self-destructing messages. 3. Signal. Signal is a privacy-focused messaging app that offers end-to-end encryption for text messages, voice calls, and video calls. It's known for its commitment to user privacy and security, with open source code and minimal data collection. 4. Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is a messaging app that integrates with Facebook's social network. It supports text and multimedia messaging, voice and video calls, group chats, and various interactive features like games and stickers. 5. Google Messages. Google Messages is the default messaging app on many Android devices. It offers features like text messaging, multimedia messaging, MMS, and RCS, rich communication services, for enhanced messaging capabilities like typing indicators, read receipts, and high-resolution media sharing. 6. Snapchat. Snapchat is a multimedia messaging app known for its ephemeral messaging features, including disappearing text and photo messages, snaps, stories, and Bitmoji avatars. It also offers text messaging, voice and video calls, and group chats. 7. Line. Line is a messaging app popular in Asia, offering text and multimedia messaging, voice and video calls, group chats, stickers, and games. It also includes a social network and various entertainment features. 8. Viber. Viber is a messaging app that offers text and multimedia messaging, voice and video calls, group chats, stickers, and games. It emphasizes user privacy with end-to-end encryption for messages and calls. 9. Skype. Skype is a communication platform that offers text messaging, voice and video calls, group chats, screen sharing, and file sharing. It's widely used for both personal and business communication. 10. Discord. Discord is a messaging app designed for gamers, offering text and voice chat channels, group chats, and server-based communities. It's popular among gamers and other communities for its robust communication features. These are just a few of the best messaging apps available for Android. Each app offers its own unique features, so you may want to try out a few different options to see which one best suits your needs and preferences.